Hey, Princess. It is Alexus Love. And Prince, I just want you to know it is not bad that you like to play the game. It's not bad that you like to play the game. When you play the game all day and you're irresponsible with the game, you're not doing your homework, you're not doing the dishes, and you're becoming disrespectful to your parent, that's when playing the game, it goes too far. The game opens up your mind to a different level of reality. It helps you. I know the game teaches you things. It teaches you math. It teaches you skill. Anything that you learn is good, right? As long as it's positive. I know some of those games, Alexus Love they shouldn't be selling them in stores. If you are responsibly a gamer, I say to make money off of it. Why not make money off of it? I heard there's this rapper, he's making like $100,000 per game, sitting at home playing the game. Like I said, you have to be responsible with things. You can't let your hygiene go bad because you want to play the game, even if it is money involved. You have to have a healthy, balanced lifestyle. You have to know how to play the game, brush your teeth 2 times a day, make sure you make it to dinner, you're respectful to your parents, you have to know how to get your beauty rest, you have to know how to, well, not for a man, you have to know how to get your prince rest, get your rest. You have to know how to still do other things besides playing the game. That's when playing the game goes bad, when you put the game before anything else in life. Like, Prince, I would like for you to do your research if you're old enough. If you're not, have your parent do the research for you. Say, hey, mom, I know you be busy, but I was just wondering if this week, if you could look into something about me getting paid to play the game. You know, I love to play the game. My favorite card, I love the cards game. I just want to learn how to make some money while I'm doing it because I give a lot of my time to it. And that way, I can help around the house. I can do different things. As a young man, it is responsible to help around the house. Whether you have one parent or you have both parents, you're going to be the man of that house, respectfully. Because I think sometimes children get out of hand with that. I know you're a child. You're not responsible for your parent. Your parent is responsible for you. But if you're a young man and you're the only man in the house, just say it's just you and your mom, and you got a little sister, then that would make you, like, in a sense, the man of the house. So it would be responsible, and you're the oldest. So that would make it responsible for you playing a game all day, make some money off of playing a game, let your parent know what's going on the game, because those games, they can be dangerous. Like I said, like all that internet stuff and you talking to different people. Don't talk. Let me just say this while we're here. Don't be talking to people on the game. Okay, I understand that you do have to talk to certain people on certain games, and that's the purpose of the headset. Just be responsible with that. When you are playing the game for money, you want an adult to do that with you, because that is a form of income, and you don't want anyone to, do anything shady, not pay you your money, and you won this game and stuff like that. So I would say if you can get with an older man in your family, your older cousin, he be playing the game all day, he love to play basketball online, and you be playing with your cousin, then ask him, hey cuz, I need you to be my leader because I want to start getting paid money off the game, and I just want to go and be talking to people that I don't really know for real, or I don't want to not get paid if I win this game. Before doing this as a form of income, go ahead and do your research if you're old enough to understand this. If not, let somebody else know, and let them know you need to do your research first. Everything that we do in life, it's a skill, it's a hobby, and we deserve to get paid for every single thing. Playing a game, washing the dishes, whatever it is. And sometimes, when you have chores and you do chores, sometimes your parent may not be able to give you that extra money because, last month we ran a water bill up $1,000. So, the $50 that I usually give you for chores, I had to pay the bills with it because this is where we live. And so this is why I, speak about having financial freedom as a child and having a responsible leader over you, someone that is going to make sure that you're doing responsible things with the income and that you're being protected and you're safe with that income. Also, I, always pray that the Lord is with you, and you pray that the Lord is with you as well while you're out, when you're doing things, whether that's gaming, whether that's fundraising, whether that's selling candy and water bottles. You want to attract people that people like you. You want to attract people that love to give, cheerful givers, not people that's going to feel like, oh, I bought this from you, now you got to buy this from my kid. Absolutely not. And this is where the wisdom of an adult, it comes into play, so they can know, now we ain't gonna walk up on them. Come on, son, we gonna go this way. Okay, that look, yeah, we gonna go. You don't want to do anything by yourself. Anything by yourself. Period. You will love to have that responsible adult with you. You will also love to have the Spirit of the Lord with you as well. So just a quick video to my princess. You know, if you're a gamer, it is okay. You have to be responsible with that. When you get older, you do not want to lose yourself in that world of gaming to where you don't live your life. You don't find your wife. You don't have a family. You don't do anything else but just game. Even if you get money off of it, you still need to have a healthy balance. Alexus Love, I'm praying for you. I'm praying you financial stability. I'm praying that you take the Spirit of the Lord with you. Jesus, we need you over there with them princes. Make sure that they, everything lined up. I'm going to send Jesus over there with you to make sure that everything is perfect, that everything is going the way that it needs to go. So again, princes, it is okay to play the game. If you're interested while you're playing the game, because you're giving the game your time, you're giving the game your mental. So I feel like just doing that, you should be getting something from that. Yeah, you're getting a skill and you learning something, but just make sure that you're getting something more from that, because you deserve more from that. You want the new J's, you want the new, iPhone, all that stuff like that. So I say it helps you out, it helps your parent out, and then it's also going to help you to not stress about money when you get older. You're a young man. Alexus loves you. Pray about it. Always pray about it. Pray about anything before you do anything. Ask God, is it a good idea that I can be a gamer? This is something that I love to do. I want to go to school for computers. That way, you done made this money gaming. Now you go to school for computers. Now you ain't got to worry about, you ain't getting enough of financial aid. So now you can't even pay for food. Now you just eat noodles in college and stuff like that. No. Before I got in this college, I was making money off of gaming. I'm already in the tech world. I already know what's going on in the tech world. So I'm just here to get my degree. Alexus loves you. Mwah.